Is dinner here? Dinner.
The chair you hand over hand.
You mentioned the items. First time we handed over in the boardroom from Jitaka.
The physical items like this.
Which are must. Yes.
No. Kampala Capital City Authority Act, the Constitution.
It's okay. Let's do a symbolic one.
Yeah.
Then we give out those things. It's necessary to do a symbolic. Frank, give it your card. Symbolically, one, the KCCA Assets Register as at 25th September 2024. This is one of our biggest documents. Okay. The seal. Then, this is our seal that is the sign of authority of your office, like that.
Then you have a stamp.
Yeah.
The stamps are not it is in there. So there are those stamps.
Symbolic. I'll hand over a status report prepared by my team, which you've been part of. And let me get a stamp. This one's for urgent. Dinner. Can I have an office stamp?
Where's dinner?
Then I will show you this one.
This one.
Is this there?
Yes. This is
This is but unless you use somebody. This is Executive Director's priority stamp. What else can I give you in the chair itself now? Now, I move away, thank you Lord, that I served in this great chair. Maybe I show you this one. This has been our institutional calendar. The financial year 2024.
KCCA Act.
The trophies and the Constitution. Shows the trophies.
Oh, so many trophies. So many trophies. Well, let him first sit in the chair. So you can sit in the chair.
Instruments of power.
And congratulations. We're supposed to help him. Yes. A hand clap.
Instruments of power is supposed to get 2 law books.
The Constitution, the KCCA Act.
I have a copy there. Give it to me. Yeah. Give me mine. The
Constitution.
The KCCA Act and the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.
Thank you very much, outgoing ED, for these instruments of symbolic instruments of authority. I receive them, and I do so for God and my country. Thank you.
The trophies you see, there's so many trophies. I'll show you as we are going. There's so many. Let's take a picture here.
Excuse me, the handover books with me.
Yeah,
let him who witness. HR office of the president.
Let's do this picture, then we. Thank you.
Director of the child.
Is Dina here? Dina. Yes. Wait for the numbers.
Because we have to take the copy from the
Dina, come.
What's the comprehensive one? The one the comprehensive
Should you sign in there?
Report.
for ED?
handover.
Comprehensive consolidated.
The consolidated will not prepare. We got disaggregated report from every directorate.
So we need
Because it was not.
okay, let's do it. It will take a few minutes. So maybe you could go to the boardroom.